I'm still blending foundation like this. Oh, contour.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am a little bit tensed because I am going to do my makeup in 10 minutes. This is very rare. This is very unlike me. I use 1 hour to do my makeup, so this is new. Put a poll on my Instagram and almost everyone picked this challenge, and I don't know why, but I'm here to do it. I'm here to challenge myself. I don't think I'm going to be talking, like showing, because almost there's no time for that. I don't think I'm going to be showing my products. I don't think I'm going to be, explaining anything, so I'm just going to go right into it. I'm going to be timing myself, and I'm going to have the time on the screen as well so that y'all can see. And what I have here on my table, on my workstation, is all my makeup, all the things I'm going to be using for my makeup. Everything is here. So yeah, I just have everything here, because if you're rushing out, everything is in one place, right? So you just keep picking, dropping, and that makes everything easy. So I have everything I need here, and we'll just get right into it. My enemies will not laugh at me. This thing has to go perfect, so y'all wish me luck. My heart is pounding. So this is my timer, and this is starts. So can you see? Right, so I have my moisturizer. Yo. Hey, just I'm still blending foundation like this. Hey. Hey. I've not done eyebrows. Eyebrows. Hey, wow. What's this? Ah. What am I supposed to do next though? Contour. Just can't find spoolie again, no. y'all that picked this thing. God will judge all of you. No. That's too much now, bombs. Hey, Oluwa. You see? Where's my spoolie? Spoolie. What? What? Yo. Yo, what is this? Like, I tried. It's not so bad. I mean, yo, like, I can take this out. What do you think? This is well blended. My foundation, not so blended properly. My nose contour is what? I don't think we did bad, guys. Like, anyways, so we did this. I am not going to be editing so much from this because, like, I mean, you're seeing this live and this is what happened. So if you enjoyed this, then definitely give this a thumbs up and comment down below what else you want me to do, what kind of looks you want me to create, and I would be more than happy to do that. So thank you for watching, thank you for staying till this point. I really hope you enjoyed this. And my face isn't looking so bad, so we got a very soft glam within 10 minutes. I mean, I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video.